Your body is literally carrying around ancient relics from millions of years ago, and you had no idea. These are 6 useless parts of your body that are actually proof that evolution is real, and some of them will blow your mind. Number 1. Your ear muscles. You know when you see someone wiggle their ears and you're like, how do they do that? Well, guess what? You can probably do it too. We all have these tiny muscles around our ears called the auricular muscles, and believe it or not, our ancient ancestors used them to survive. Picture this. You're a prehistoric human chilling in the wild, and suddenly you hear a twig snap behind you. Your ears would literally swivel like a dog's ears to pinpoint exactly where that sound came from. A 2019 study published in the journal Psychophysiology found that these muscles still activate when we hear surprising sounds, even though we can't move our ears anymore. It's like your body is still trying to be a radar dish, but forgot how to work the controls. Number 2. Your tailbone, coccyx. This one's going to freak you out. You literally have a tail, I'm not joking, that little triangular bone at the bottom of your spine. That's your coccyx, and it's basically the leftover bones from when your ancestors had actual tails. Our early primate relatives used their tails for balance when swinging through trees, kind of like a built-in safety rope. But here's the crazy part. Human embryos actually develop tails in the womb that are about 1/6 of their body length. By the time you're born, your body has absorbed most of it, leaving just this tiny reminder that you used to be part monkey. Sometimes babies are even born with a small tail that doctors have to remove. Talk about a throwback Thursday. Number 3. Your wisdom teeth. Your mouth is basically too small for your own good, and here's why. Those wisdom teeth that cause you so much pain, they're evolutionary leftovers from when our ancestors had way bigger jaws and needed to chew tough stuff like roots, raw meat, and tree bark. Back in the day, losing teeth was super common, so having extra molars in the back was like having spare tires for your mouth. But evolution played a cruel joke on us. Our brains got bigger, which made our skulls bigger, but our jaws got smaller because we started cooking food and didn't need those massive chompers anymore. So now we're stuck with these giant teeth trying to squeeze into a space that's basically like fitting a truck into a garage, meant for a golf cart. That's why 85% of people need them removed. Thanks a lot, evolution. Number 4. Your palmar longus muscle. Hold your arm out and touch your pinky to your thumb while bending your wrist up. See that tendon that pops out? That's connected to your palmaris longus muscle, and it's basically useless now. But about 15% of people don't even have this muscle anymore because evolution is slowly getting rid of it. Our tree-swinging ancestors used this muscle to grip branches super tight, kind of like how monkeys still do today. It was like having built-in climbing gear. But since we're not swinging from tree to tree anymore, unless you're doing some extreme parkour, this muscle is just chilling in your arm doing absolutely nothing. Surgeons actually love this muscle because they can remove it for reconstructive surgery, and you won't even notice it's gone. It's like having a spare part you never knew you had. Number 5. Your plica semilunaris, third eyelid. Look in a mirror and check out the little pink triangle in the inner corner of your eye. That weird little thing is actually the leftover of a third eyelid. I know, right? Reptiles, birds, and some mammals still have a full nictitating membrane that slides across their eye like a built-in windshield wiper. Our ancestors needed this extra protection when they were crawling around in dusty, dirty environments or diving underwater. But as we evolved and started living in cleaner environments, this third eyelid basically said, "Peace out," and shrank down to that tiny pink bump. It's like having a broken windshield wiper on your eyeball, functional but not really doing much. Some people can actually make this little piece move slightly, which is honestly kind of creepy when you think about it. Number 6. Your goosebumps, erector pili muscles. Every time you get goosebumps, your body is basically trying to turn you into a porcupine, and it has no idea it's not working. Those tiny muscles at the base of each hair follicle are called erector pili muscles, and they contract to make your hair stand up. Our furry ancestors used this as their ultimate intimidation tactic. When they were scared or trying to look tough, all their hair would puff up, making them look way bigger and scarier, like a cat when it sees a dog. But here's the hilarious part. We barely have any hair left, so when these muscles activate, we just get these weird bumps all over our skin instead of looking like a fierce beast. It's like your body is still trying to use a cheat code that doesn't work anymore. The mechanism is still there, but the special effects are totally broken. These evolutionary leftovers are literally everywhere in your body. reminding us that we're basically upgraded versions of our ancient ancestors. Your body is like a living museum of evolution, carrying around all these outdated features that tell the story of where we came from. If you want more videos like this, subscribe right now.